Welcome to our electrifying Stiehl the Spotlight event, live from the neon-lit streets of Las Vegas.
Solo banking rules are in play, and our tripwires and turrets are online and ready to engage any intruder trying to make a deposit.
We've just witnessed the first elimination of this match. I'm sure there's more where that came from.
This might get crazier than I expected. Vault opened. Time to grab that cash. Looks like another vault just gave in. There goes another vault.
A contestant is really playing with fire out there. And for a change, I mean this figuratively. Carrying around that many coins is bound to put a target on one's back.
And another vault has opened. Oh goodness, a contestant full up with coins has just been shown the door. A contestant just opened a vault. That's more coins added to the match.
I'm impressed and worried. A contestant is holding on to a king's ransom in coins. They'll probably want to bank that ASAP.
We might need a bigger bank. A contestant just made a jaw-dropping deposit of coins. Vault cracked. A contestant is down, and they're leaving a whopping cache of coins behind.
One of our contestants is playing a dangerous game right now. In Bank It, having deep pockets might get you chased down.
Another vault's lock has been picked. Contestant just got shown the exit.
Whoa! One of our contestants is really hoarding some coins. Let's see if they can bank that fortune.
Another vault reveals its contents. Wow! Look at all those coins! That vault's opening might just be the golden ticket to the top spot! A contestant with a lot of coins just became a lot less liquid. They've been eliminated! Somebody just emptied their pockets! Coins banked! A massive deposit of coins just now. The contestants in it. Deposit decent time in the arena. A nice little stash was just locked in. What an ending, what a show! Our winner captured both the spotlight and the admiration of our sponsors. Congratulations to them on a well-deserved victory.